हो गया। अब इसको हेलो स्टूडेंट, कैसे हो? तो ठीक है, हम प्रीवियस क्लास में देखे थे रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर एंड हायर प्लांट्स। उसमें रिप्रोडक्शन, उसके टाइप्स, अब उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं रिकैप कर दे रहा हूँ और उसके बाद में आगे का हम पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, तो हमने लोअर ऑर्गेनिज्म में इसमें हम कैसे मेथड देखे थे? असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, right? So what are the method of asexual reproduction in the lower organism? So we have seen first is fragmentation. फ्रैगमेंटेशन यानी क्या? तो मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म जो रहेगा उसके फ्रैगमेंट्स होंगे, मतलब उसके छोटे छोटे पीसेस होंगे और वो छोटे छोटे पीसेस इंडिविजुअल करके आगे ग्रो होगा। उसी को क्या कहते हैं? फ्रैगमेंटेशन। सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द asexual mode of reproduction by fragmentation is what? Algae. And algae, which algae? Especially Spirogyra. Your freshwater algae. Now second mode of asexual reproduction is, or method of asexual reproduction is budding. And budding found in the yeast. Budding, where it is found? It is found in the unicellular fungus, that is yeast. Again in multicellular organism like Hydra. It is animal, Hydra. So yeast में कैसा होता है? So now this mother cell. Now this is mother cell. Mother cell produce outgrowth, and now it is called bud. Now then this bud grows and separate from the mother cell and form separate yeast, new yeast. So bud cell grow and increase in size and separate or detach from the mother cell and grow as an individual or independent new yeast. So in this way it is the example of budding, and now such budding takes place in the yeast and in the Hydra. Now third is the spore formation. Third step is spore formation. Third step is spore formation, and spore formation, it is found in algae and fungi. So here algae, in which algae spore formation takes place? Like Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas produce the zoospore, and fungi produce the non-motile spore called as Conidia. So here example of the fungi is the Chlamydomonas. An example of fungi is Penicillium aspergillus. Now then again, fourth one is the regeneration. It is also asexual mode of reproduction found in the lower organism. So here regeneration in which the some part separate from the parent body, and grow as an individual organism. So here example is the tapeworm. Example is tapeworm, planaria. These are the examples of the regeneration. So which reproduce by regeneration method. Now fifth one is the gemmule formation. So it is asexual body produced by the some sponges. Example, sponges. So in the lower organism, asexual reproduction takes place. Now asexual reproduction, we will see the asexual reproduction in higher organism. Higher organism means higher plants, not here higher organism in the sense here plants. So हम क्या देखेंगे अब इसके बाद में asexual reproduction, बट क्या में अभी तक क्या में हुआ लोअर प्लांट्स में, asexual reproduction in lower plants. अब हम क्या देखेंगे asexual reproduction in higher plants. क्या में देखेंगे higher plants. अब लोअर की जगह क्या देखेंगे हम हायर प्लांट्स. हायर प्लांट्स आपको पता है 1 मिनट.